If you're studying for the real estate exam and sometimes you feel like the material is confusing, it's overwhelming, and it's written in a way that it just does not make sense yet, you are in the right place. This channel was created to help you understand real estate in a clear, practical, and professional way. Not just to memorize words, but to actually understand what the exam is testing you.
So basically, no more staring at a textbook wondering what an easement, encumbrance, contingency, or fiduciary duty actually means.
Exactly, Kimo. Because real estate exam prep should not feel impossible. It should feel organized, step by step, concept by concept, question by question.
And let's be honest, sometimes the hardest part is not the answer. It is understanding what the question is really asking.
That is one of the biggest things that we focus on here. When you see a real estate exam question, I want you to slow down and ask, what topic is being tested? What legal relationship is involved? What rule applies? And which answer choice fits the facts the best? Let's try a quick example. A buyer and a seller sign a purchase contract. Later, the buyer discovers that the financing contingency has not been satisfied yet. What is the exam most likely testing you? A. Property tax proration. B. Contract contingencies. C. Estate insolvency. Or D. Steering. Pause for a second.
I'm going with B, contract contingencies.
That's correct, Ivalani. The key word is contingency. A contingency, that is a condition that must be met before the contract can move forward as expected. And this is how we study here. We don't just say the answer, we explain why it is the answer.
Okay, but what about real estate math? That is where people start sweating.
Real estate math is one of the most feared parts of the exam, but it becomes much easier when you learn the formulas and practice them in a simple way. Let's take a look at an example. The commission equals the sales price multiplied by the commission rate. So if a property sells for $500,000 and one side of the transaction earns 3% commission, the commission for that side would be $15,000. So now, let's do a fill in the blank. A lien is a financial claim against a property and it's considered an
Encumbrance?
correct, Kimo. A lien is an encumbrance. But remember this exam tip. All liens are encumbrances, but not all encumbrances are liens. And that is exactly what kind of distinction the exam loves to test you.
So this channel is not just definitions. It is exam traps, examples, questions, and explanations.
Yes, on this channel you will find videos on real estate exam concepts, contracts, agency, ownership, finance, valuation, fair housing, math, practice question, and professional development for future and current agents. Some videos will be quick and some videos will go deeper, but the purpose is always the same. Help you to learn real estate clearly, confidently, and professionally. And if you are in Hawaii, you will also see content connected to the Hawaii Real Estate Exam education licensing, contracts, and professional standards. But the bigger mission is national. This channel is being built to become a trusted real estate education resource for students, future agents, new licensees, and professionals who want to keep growing.
So whether someone is just starting
Or already licensed and wants to become better?
This channel is here to support that journey because real estate can change your life, but only if you learn it in the right way, you build the right habits, and take the profession seriously. So before you leave, let's do one more quick question for you. Which of the following best describes fiduciary duty? A. Financial claim against the property. B. A property owner's right to exclude others. C. A legal duty to act on a client's best interest. Or D. A zoning rule created by the county.
The answer is C, a legal duty to act in the client's best interest.
Correct. And that is one of the most important ideas in real estate. A real estate professional is not just selling property. A real estate professional has duties, responsibilities, and standards. That is why education matters. So if you're preparing for the real estate exam, thinking about becoming an agent, or already licensed and wanting to grow, subscribe, study with us, practice with us, and keep improving one concept at a time. Welcome to Real Estate Pro Academy. Let's educate, empower, and elevate.